I'm Teresita Mercader, a former barangay secretary. My lifestyle's journey started with a piece of eyeliner. An angel who is now my upline ordered an eyeliner and she invited me to attend Hope. That was the first time I met Encha. During that time, I was having a health challenge. I was diagnosed of hypothyroidism with 2% active cancer cells. After I heard the product benefits to our body, no hesitations, I grabbed a bottle of Encha kasi I was desperate na gumaling. Dahil during that time, grabe yung palpitations ko. So, I shared it with my asthmatic daughter also. After a week, I felt the progress. No more palpitations, no more asthma attacks si baby. So how can I sustain drinking Intra? I cannot afford to buy a package. But if there's a will, there's a way. I started with 2,000 pesos just to avail 20% discount. Since then, I shared the goodness of the product. No mercy talaga ako on sharing kahit saan at kahit kanino. No, hindi ako nag-pre-qualify. And to my surprise, if the product is good, the business is done. In less than a month, I become a direct distributor and got promoted to regional director and executive director. My first check is 28,000 and I was able to pay my utang. And both baby alive na patagal ng mangarap ng anak ko. On the second month doing the business, I was able to buy Kawasaki Fury motor for cash para naman sa asawa ko, para easy ang delivery at easy na rin ang mission namin. Dito sa lifestyles, I was able to travel for free like Misibis Bay, Plantation Bay, Kompesuhan, and on my 6 months, I was able to buy Vius car. Second hand pa lang siya for cash, but my brand new car is coming so soon. And then, I decided to resign as barangay secretary and focus on lifestyles business. Kasi, in my heart, I know lifestyles opportunity is real. Imagine, if I did not join lifestyles, ano na kaya ang nangyari sa buhay ko? My 3-year salary being a secretary is 1 month income ko lang dito sa lifestyles. With that decision and choice I made, nagbago ang buhay namin ng pamilya ko. Kung dati hirap na hirap akong bumili ng bigas, ngayon sako-sakong bigas ang kaya kong bilhin at nakakapamigay pa ako sa ibang tao. Being a lifestyler, we become a channel of blessing to other people who need the product and who need the opportunity. In lifestyles, naging healthy pa, naging wealthy na. To our guest right now, I would like to encourage you to join us and be part of Lifestyles Company where our dreams do come true. If you want to stay healthy, drink Intra. If you want to achieve your dreams, mission pa more, share pa more. Yes or yes? With that, thank you and good morning.